Hi, my name is Autumn, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple origami swan. When creating origami, you do not need to use special origami paper, though you can if you want. Any paper works so long as it's square, from recycled printer paper, newspaper, or magazines, and I'll even use gum wrappers or candy wrappers if it's available. Once you have your paper, make sure it is cut to an even square, either by measuring or folding the corners. Each origami design I will be showing you uses a square base. To start, fold your paper from corner to corner diagonally along the middle. To make your creases more defined, you can use the back of your nail, as I am doing here, or even use a ruler or pencil. When you are finished, unfold your paper so it is flat again. We will now fold our sides into the middle, almost like we are making a paper airplane. Try to line the outside edge up with the center crease as best you can. Again, I am using my nail to make the creases more flat. Once you're done with this, we will be repeating the fold on the other side, again taking the outside edge and lining it up as best you can with the center fold, and using your finger or nail to fold the paper. Feel free to pause this video at any time if you feel like you need to stop. We are now going to repeat this process by taking the edges we just folded and folding them into the center again. This might be a bit trickier since you are now folding two pieces of paper, but go as slow as you need to, holding the paper in place as you go, and readjusting if needed. Again, repeat on the other side when you are done. What we are making now is the body of the swan, and the next step will include how to make the neck and the beak. Don't feel pressured to make your origami perfect right off the bat, as we are still learning how to fold the paper and how to get good lines. You have just finished the body, or the wings and the tail if you will. Now we will be making the neck and the head. Take the pointy end of your paper and fold it up to the tail of the swan. You want the beak to line up with the tip of the tail. Then fold along the base of the neck. This is a bit harder because you now have multiple layers of paper. You may need to crease it multiple times to get a strong fold. Now fold the tip down slightly, whatever length you wish. Fold along the center line and crease it at the top, and this will be the beak. When you are done with this, you will basically have a pancake swan, a flat version of your design. To make it pop, take your swan and fold it in half along the center crease. Finally, pull the neck forward while holding the body and pinch it at the base of the neck to crease where you want it to be. Repeat with the beak, folding it out while holding the neck and pinching where you want it to stay. When you are done with this, gently open the bottom of the swan so it stands up and you are finished. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make an origami swan. Join me next week as we make another origami creation.